all-new Wii U. This is how you'll play next. On 2 screens. One player against 4. Throwing from here to there. Nintendo Land. Only available on the all-new Wii U. Game rated everyone 10 and up.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Osceola County Emergency Management. Hebert Fire Department is directing citizens and residents in the area of US 10 and 60th Avenue to avoid travel along US 10 near the area, and for residents within a half mile of 60th Avenue and US 10 to leave their homes as a result of a fuel truck accident. A temporary reception center has been established at the Ebert Housing Commission located at 601 West 1st Street in the city of Ebert. Stay tuned to media sources such as local television, radio, and Nope Weather Radio for further instructions and issuance of an all-clear message. Further information can be obtained by dialing to 11.
I can't see.
Oh, turn up the brightness.
It's already up.